Chapter 1, A Parisian Dream. Marie, a bright-eyed young woman with a passion for art history, stood before the grand gates of the Louvre Museum in Paris. It was a crisp autumn morning, and sunshine danced on the glass pyramid entrance. This wasn't just any visit. Marie had arrived to participate in a prestigious art restoration competition. Winning meant securing her dream job at the museum, a chance to work on priceless masterpieces. Inside, the museum was a bustling hive of activity. Tourists marveled at sculptures, and families whispered in awe before famous paintings. Marie, however, headed straight for the restricted area where the competition was taking place. Here, the air crackled with nervous excitement as other aspiring restorers unpacked their tools. Suddenly, a hush fell over the room. The stern-faced head curator, Madame Dubois, entered, carrying a velvet-draped easel. Today, she announced in a voice that commanded attention, we will be working on a section of The Starry Night, a masterpiece by Vincent van Gogh. A collective gasp escaped the room. Van Gogh. This was their ultimate test, a chance to breathe new life into a legendary artwork. Marie felt a thrill shoot through her. Chapter 2, A Brush with Deception. Hours later, as Marie meticulously cleaned a small section of the painting, a sharp cry pierced the silence. Her friend, Henri, stood across the room, his face pale. "The Mona Lisa, it's gone," he stammered. Panic erupted. The priceless Mona Lisa had vanished from its place of honor. Suspicion fell on a new security guard, a shifty man with nervous eyes. But as the investigation unfolded, nothing seemed to add up. Determined to help, Marie noticed a peculiar detail, a faint smudge in the corner of The Starry Night. Using her knowledge of restoration techniques, she carefully removed a layer of varnish, revealing a hidden inscription, "The key lies where silence sleeps." Suddenly, the seemingly unrelated events clicked into place for Marie. The missing Mona Lisa, the cryptic inscription, this was no ordinary theft, but a meticulously planned puzzle. Chapter 3, The City of Secrets. Sharing her discovery with Henri, Marie felt a newfound determination. Together, they deciphered the inscription. The key lies where silence sleeps. It pointed to the city's vast network of underground catacombs, a place shrouded in mystery and silence. Armed with flashlights and a thirst for adventure, Marie and Henri ventured into the catacombs. The air hung heavy with dampness, and the only sound was the echo of their footsteps. They navigated through ancient tunnels, deciphering cryptic messages left along the way, all leading towards a hidden chamber. Finally, they reached a large, cavernous room. In the center, bathed in the moonlight filtering through a hidden grate, stood the missing Mona Lisa. But the triumph was short-lived. A figure emerged from the shadows, the elusive security guard. He explained he wasn't a thief, but an art historian exposing a long-held secret. Chapter 4, A Legacy Revealed. The Mona Lisa in the Louvre, the security guard revealed, was a clever copy. The real Mona Lisa had been hidden centuries ago, by the artist himself, who feared its destruction during a period of political unrest. The inscription in The Starry Night was his way of ensuring its rediscovery by a true art lover. The revelation caused a sensation. Museums worldwide scrambled to authenticate their collections, while Marie and Henri were hailed as heroes for their bravery and ingenuity. Their story became a Parisian legend, a testament to the power of passion, knowledge, and a little bit of adventure. Epilogue. Marie landed the coveted job at the Louvre Museum, not as a restorer, but as a lead researcher. She continued to unravel mysteries hidden within the museum's walls, forever cherishing the memory of her extraordinary Parisian adventure. I hope you enjoyed the story. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And what story would you like to read next? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Go English Stories for more interesting stories. See you in my next video.